Welcome everyone, here is how you cancel subscriptions in iOS 16. So the first step is you're going to open up the App Store, and even if you didn't make the subscription from the App Store, it will still show up here. You're then going to tap on your icon at the top right hand side, and you're going to see the subscriptions tab. Tap on subscriptions and it's going to load up all of the subscriptions you have. So here's what's up. If you see active, the subscription name, and then it says expires in with the date, what that means is you already cancelled the subscription, so you will not be charged again. However, if you see renews and then the date right here, then we must cancel the subscription. So let's just tap on the subscription itself and you'll see the option to cancel subscription. If you are unsure whether or not you have cancelled your subscription or not, where you see active, tap on the subscription, and if there is no option to cancel, that doesn't mean you're locked into a contract that you can't cancel. No, what it means is you already cancelled the subscription. However, keep in mind the subscription will stay active until it expires. Okay, so when you cancel a subscription, let's say for Dashlane here, I can continue to use Dashlane until the subscription period expires, which in my case is 5th of August 2023. You can also see here inactive. What that means is the subscription already expired, okay, so it's not active, you don't need to cancel it. So if I tap on the subscription, you can see it gives me the option to renew. It says your subscription has expired, so you're not going to be charged for this one again. So with that being said, thanks for watching, see you guys later, bye bye.